When mangoes are still in season, do make this mango or Aam Papad. You can enjoy it for months if you store it properly. I remember seeing some videos on how the store-bought ones are made in very unhygienic conditions. So I make this at home as my family loves this mango sweet. Also, this is a very easy recipe that can be made with a couple of ingredients. For this recipe, I have taken close to 1 kilogram of very ripe mangoes. I am going to peel these and cut it into pieces. Next, add the mango chunks to a blender and make it to a smooth paste. This is how your mango paste should look. Now add the mixture to a hot pan. Stir it for a minute or two. Then reduce the flame and cook it slowly. I am adding less than 1/4 cup of sugar. You can skip this if your mangoes are really sweet. Mix it well. Then squeeze 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice as lemon juice enhances the sweet flavor. Keep mixing on a medium flame until the mango paste thickens. It takes about 7 to 10 minutes. The mango mixture is ready now. You will see that it is not runny anymore when you run the spatula through the mixture. Next, take a plate and grease it with a half a teaspoon of ghee. Spread to cover the plate completely. Make sure to do this so you can peel the mango papad easily. Next, pour in the mango papad mixture. Now move the plate around so it spreads around to a thin layer. If the layer is thick, then it will take longer time to dry. If you see any air bubbles, tap the plate a few times to break the air bubbles. Then dry this under the sun for 2 to 3 days depending on the place you live. Do make sure to cover to avoid any dust particles sticking to it. Once it is dry, you will see the color has darkened and it is not sticky anymore. Use a knife and run it around to loosen the edges. Then carefully peel to remove the mango papad from the plate. Our mango dry sweet is all ready to be cut now. You can cut it to your desired shape. I am going to make small slices and a few mango rolls. If you store this in a cool and a dry place, this will last you for 2 months. Make this Aam Papad this summer and let me know your feedback. And thanks for watching.